Hello everyone, my name is Jason Simmons and I'm very much looking forward to seeing you at the UK Hypnosis Convention on Saturday the 16th of November at 2:15 in the Southwark Room, where I'm going to be delivering my presentation presenting the art of authenticity, 5 steps to selling yourself with integrity. In this interactive lecture, I'm going to be sharing some practical tools, techniques and protocols that I've been using as a stage hypnotist, magician mind reader, stand-up comedian and therapeutic practitioner in a career that's spanning almost 15 years. Some of these tools have enabled me to become a regular guest entertainer for Haven Holiday Parks, Parkdean Resorts, Pontins and Park Resorts, whilst also becoming a corporate presenter for many businesses within London and the southeast of England. I also use these skills to help other entertainers and practitioners to develop and enhance their own public speaking skills. So if you'd really like to know how hypnosis and certain psychological techniques can help you to access and maintain the right state of mind to deliver a confident and authentic presentation whilst feeling both secure and self-assured, then you're going to be able to see in my lecture the components of hypnosis and how they can be applied in a way that's right for you. So whatever walk of life you've come from, and you may be already working within the world of hypnosis, and maybe you just need that step in the right direction, or you need that something extra to feel confident, secure and self-assured whilst delivering to these audiences, whether that be that you're a therapist, a trainer, or a budding stage hypnotist, then I implore you to come along to my lecture presenting the art of authenticity, 5 steps to selling yourself with integrity. That's in the Southwark Room on Saturday the 16th of November at 2:15 p.m. I really look forward to seeing you there.